Just got the 1959 Thunderbird. A little bit of rodent action going on there. It's actually not that bad of a car. It's actually pretty clean with rust. It isn't rusty, but we haven't cleaned it yet. There was definitely varmints in here. I'd open the trunk with the keys in the truck. There's enough chestnuts in there to, yeah, Christmas party roasting chestnuts over there. Cool car. This should be able, it's a no start. I think it's just going to be maybe the points in the distributor because it's a no spark. We're getting 12 volts, so find out soon. We cleaned the points, it still didn't go. So if anyone's interested, oh, the cool thing with this is that you do not see on these. This is actually the very first manual trans like model year of this body style. See the 3 pedals, 3-speed on the column.